Surprise, motherfucker.
Subscribe, motherfucker.
If I knew what I knew in the past, I would have been like that on your ass.
I'm out here looking fucked up again. I had to come right back here to get my shit fixed all over again. I'm looking like crap. Not no more. Watch this. I always leave here fly. Right here at Carlton. I'm telling you. Always come here and get Dougie. Port Antonio's the shit. And we out here again. Port Antonio at night is always dope. Okay, guys. This is the KFCs in Port Antonio. Do I dare stand in line to get something? I don't even eat KFCs at home, but I got a little taste for something American. Not gonna lie to you. Fuck it, I might go for it. We'll see. Yeah, guys, this line is fucking redunculous. I don't understand it. Look at this shit. This is crazy. But like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, guys, I don't know if I got it in me to stand out this entire line. I'm gonna try my best, so I'm doing it for us. Because everybody's saying that this tastes better than back home. We're gonna see now.
2 hours later.
Yeah, guys, we still in line. KFC's, Port Antonio. This is crazy. I don't understand it. I've never been in line this long that wasn't for some kind of government identification or free food. This is crazy. This is outrageous. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. It's like 10 minutes later. We still haven't moved. We're gonna stand. We're gonna really stick this out. I'm not a quitter. We came for KFCs. We're fucking getting KFCs.
2 hours later.
We gonna get this, guys. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care if we gotta be here all day. We gonna get this. Determination, that's the way to get what you want in this world. You can't quit. All these people are just things that the universe are throwing in between me and my chicken. But I'm gonna get my chicken. I'm not playing. I'm gonna get my chicken. Update, guys. We just moved 2 feet. Excitement, I'm trying to tell you. Think everything is possible whenever you want it. You just gotta want it bad enough.
2 hours later.
I'm low-key mad there's people here that's enjoying their chicken. I feel like if I don't got my chicken yet, nobody should have their chicken yet. I feel like this just rude. We here together. We one people. We one nation. We all need to wait until I got my chicken, and then everybody can eat. That's just how I think it should go. See this, guys? We close. I'm so close I can almost smell the line to wait on my chicken once I order it. I can feel it. I've almost arrived. This is proof that if you just stick with it, don't let anything deter you, and the universe will give you what you want. Just stay strong. Don't quit. Okay, guys, I'm next, and this is finna happen. I'm about to get KFCs in Port Antonio. I like a big deal. Spicy. We're gonna go with spicy. $7.95. Thank you, guys. And now we just wait. That's it. We just sit here and we just wait for our food. It's like everywhere else you order food that you order it, then you wait. I'm pretty sure I'm $2.84. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure they're going off that number scheme either. Because I've heard some awkward numbers called. I heard a 226. A 326, I'm sorry. I've heard a 90 something. I just don't even know if it's like a random number generated for you to feel comfortable because you have a number. But I have a number, so I guess I'm gonna eat eventually. Why the line going now that I got my food? Why ain't no line now that I'm about to get mine? This is crazy. This is horrible. It's disrespectful, honestly. Excuse me, let me ask you a question. Why is there no line now that I've already ordered? I don't understand this.
Because the line just cooled up.
That's crazy. That's crazy. It's disrespectful. You need to talk to somebody about this. Who's in charge? It seems like every part of this is gonna take forever. I know it's gonna be good though. It's gotta be good. Anything that take this long, has gotta be good. You gotta keep telling yourself that. That's how I be thinking when my baby mama was pregnant. Anything that take this long, has gotta be good. It's crazy. I swear everything, it doesn't matter what it is here. It's the same but different. You know, you just gotta make your adjustments and try your best not to, infringe on other people's culture and customs. Like, for instance, I find myself, people looking at me like, what you staring at? But you know that thing that you do when you like daze off into space and whatever's in front of you, you just look like you're staring at? Yeah, I guess people don't do that here. And it makes people end up wanting to fight you. But it's just a habit. I don't know. Like, I've been saying this line, what seems like the better part of a week now. And I'm not upset. I'm just saying, just highlighting it for you, so anybody who cares can see this, you know. And it's what we're doing. It's just why we're here. I think this is our 30th day in Portland, Jamaica. So I'm still loving it. I'm still enjoying myself. I've seen some beautiful fucking women coming in this KFC's. Like, it is crazy. Like, I don't know about the bars, the club, or nothing, but I'm hanging out in KFC's from now on. Like, come to Jamaica and hang out in KFC's. Don't do nothing else. I'm serious. Just come to Jamaica and hang out in KFC's. You'll see all the beautiful women you need. Trust me. So yeah, I think I'm almost gonna get my food, and I also during this time I've done my 2019 tax returns early. So, you know, you gotta look at this as you gotta give and take. You know, it's a long line, but I'm able to get things done. I've done my budget for the next 3 months. Figured out where the fuck Waldo was, and now I know also where in the world Carmen Sandiego was, all while standing in this line. I'm telling you, this was fruitful. Not only do I get food, I get education and knowledge. I get to work on my time management skills. I probably should have meditated. I would have definitely reached enlightenment while I was standing in this motherfucker. This food better be excellent.
2 hours later.
I personally never waited for any food this long that I was paying for. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Usually, when I pay for it, I want to get it and eat. So this is a new thing for me. I'm not upset. Like I said, I'm not complaining. If anybody think I'm bitching, I'm not complaining. I'm in line, true, but I'm in Jamaican line, so it don't even matter. I'm cool. I got all day. I got nothing to do. I'm just saying. Usually, when you wait in line for this long for food, it's free. And you may get housing and shit like that at the same time. That's all I'm saying. You ever be waiting on your food for so long, and then you just like, I mean, you staring at your receipt and number like you waiting on a lottery drawing or some shit. You like, oh, lucky number 284. I know you coming up soon, baby. Yeah, guys, trying to get this soda. Let me let you know off the jump. If you get one soda only, not only did you not have a childhood, use a pump. So we got to mix these up, baby. I don't even know what it tastes like, but we're going to figure it out in the car ride home because I believe in myself. Yeah, guys, that was a pretty long wait. And not only have I gotten food, I've also cracked the nuclear codes if anybody's interested.
All right, you know, well, soon and very soon you're going to witness the judgments I will speak about. You know, where I think the dollar keep on sliding. See? And the nation's striving over you. But then again, you have allocation nations. As even now, you have in France, the green vest protests are continue the same way, even now in France. You see? And by the days to get more and more uproars, man. Colombia, Hong Kong, everywhere. Soon to be here in Jamaica. See, because your wicked politicians have not educate you people of what really is happening, man.
Just linked up with my boy Greg right here. We're gonna head back to Ferry Hill. Here's the thing. While I was listening to all the Jamaicans telling me that the KFCs here in Jamaica is shitting on the one in America, I neglected to ask them if they've ever been to America. Nah, son. It's exactly the same. KFC is still KFC, G. I don't care where you go. Don't believe the hype. It tastes exactly the same, bro. Exactly the same. This combination, though, this champagne cola set it off. We need to get these back there. I want to find whoever bought that KFCs and opened it and beat the shit out of them for as long as I stood in line.
Subscribe, motherfucker.